Hey guys, Joe in Pattaya. Look at this, Soi Buakhao, Wednesday, 9th of March. It's about nearly 6:30 p.m. The sun's just going down. I thought we'd take a look, see how busy it is. I went out last night, Soi Buakhao was quite busy. Today was another hot sunny day. Friendship Bar looks busy. Lex classroom and the salons. But still the same in Pattaya. There hasn't been any rule changes. Just seems like everyone's getting more relaxed. The bars are still officially closed, but they're all open. 11 p.m. still the official closing. It's the little market area here. LK Metro is busy, Tree Town's busy. Good little bars around. Still waiting for a lot of tourists to come back though. But still good to be here. Look, the candy shop, candy bar, they've opened it up to an open bar so they can trade. Look at that, let's check the exchange rates while we're here. The Aussie dollar dropped a bit. England 43.22. It's today's rates. Here's Tree Town area. I'll do a lap of that another night at night. It's dinner time, everyone's eating. But it still looks pretty quiet in that food court area. That used to be packed in there when it was the only place to go. All the bars up there. It's still good, Pattaya, even with no people here. I'll show you up here the sugar. Have a look at all the girls lined up here. Sugar, man. Good that. How good's this? Traffic gets worse in Soi Buakhao. It's not too bad tonight. A couple of nights has been at a standstill, especially when everything closes. Got Soi Lenki down there. Cheap Charlie restaurant just here. All the massage shops are opened up. The COVID's still not really going away. Hanging around like a bad smell. But I think it's peaked. Things can only get better. Well, that's that new hotel there, not quite finished. See that? Have a nice round roof. Nature View Hotel. Good little bar there. This end of town tends to get a bit quieter, but there's more and more clubs. Red Hot and Blue, that's new. And a couple of other little ones further up, they all just slowly open up. The Holiday Inn Express, that's right in the middle of town there. Nice rooms. Probably only 1,000 baht a night, most of these hotels. The dirt alley now up to Soi 15 up there with the roadworks. It's a big mess, Soi 15. Outdoor pool there, that's cool. Remember that? Action Street. See, there's bars opening up in there. Not many, but a couple. Let's do a quick lap. Action Street. See, look at that. Couple of bars. Nothing much happening. Hello. Pretty quiet. Hello. They're trying to get the customers in, of course. When you got no customers, take anyone, even P. Joe. Just up this end is the market store, which they fixed up as well. Good little bar just up here on the left too. There was lots of girls the other night. Anyone here? One. Couple. But look at the market stalls now. Done all this area up. Concrete floor. That's giving you a look at Soi Buakhao, 6:30 p.m. And this ends up at South Pattaya Road. But thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. This is P. Joe, over and out.